Lately, I've been getting lots of questions about pre-order. Only why is it that you no longer do pre-order? Lots of questions centered around pre-order. Is pre-order still profitable in 2026? So I said, you know what? I'm gonna make this video, right, explaining pre-order to you all again in detail, right? Now, pre-order is a kind of business you run without your money. Do you understand? Pre-order is simply you ordering things for people with their money. Let's say you have zero capital, you don't have that much capital, right, and you want to go into importation. Now you can decide to take the pre-order route. Let me explain. Pre-order is an e-commerce business model that allows you, run business successfully with people's money. You use their money, run this business, and then you take off your profits. Let's say you want to start importing goods from China. Now people can give you money to buy stuff for them. They know they are buying this stuff on pre-order. They know, these customers know that these goods are not on ground, but because of the price, because of the type of product you're offering to them, they are willing to wait for you to use their money, buy this product, ship it down before distributing to them. Now you have to understand this. If you're going into pre-order, you need to understand that your price has to be good. Your price has to be mouth-watering. You don't go and pre-order items that when people go into the market, it is exactly the same price or even cheaper than what you're giving them as your pre-order price. Some people will still don't understand what I'm saying. Let me use this as an example. Can you see this solo tape here? If you go to the market, this is being sold for 900, 1000 naira. Now if you want to pre-order this, you want people to give you their money so you can buy it for them. You need to be able to convince them that you're getting it at a very good price, at a very cheap price. That is to say, if this is sold in the market for 1000 naira and you want to do pre-order, we should be able to get it from you at maybe 600 naira, 700 naira. Anything more than 700 naira is a no-no. Why wait for that duration? Do you get what I'm trying to explain here? So for pre-order, you need to ensure that your price is so good, it is mouth-watering. Your price is the main thing that will convince people to join your pre-order group. Your price is the main thing that will convince people to buy from you. Now apart from your price, the second thing is the type of product you're pre-ordering. I usually tell people this: if you want to go into pre-order, ensure that you're not pre-ordering or you're not buying the regular items that people are used to already. Say you want to go into pre-order, what can I use as an example? You're pre-ordering tote bag. Do you get what I'm saying? You're trying to pre-order tote bag. There are tote bags here and there, and the price of tote bag are so amazing. Their prices here are quite affordable. Now if you want to pre-order tote bag, you should be selling it for half or even quarter the price. Do you understand me? The type of product you're pre-ordering. If you want to go into pre-order and you want to make money from your pre-order, please go for rare products that are not readily available in the market, products that are scarce in the market. Pre-order those kind of products. You will see that people will rush you, and some of those products are household items. There are some household items that are new, they are not yet everywhere in the market. So when you post that kind of product, you post the function and the features of those products, people are interested, they want to join your pre-order group. But if you post fashion items, you post clothes, I am not saying that people don't pre-order clothes. People pre-order clothes, they pre-order bags, but you will notice that these people that pre-order bags, shoes, and regular item are people that already have the audience. Maybe they have loads of followers on Facebook, they have loads of followers already on Instagram, so it's easy for them to get people to join their group. But for you that you're just starting out, you don't have that much followers at all on social media, don't start pre-ordering the regular product. I did pre-order, I think 2 years ago. Why I decided to quit anything that has to do with pre-order is that I don't get mind. Pre-order is something that if you're going into it, you need to be so clear with your customers, especially those that are pre-ordering and they are using sea as their means of shipping. You're using the sea shipping route. You should know that your shipping company will tell you that sea shipping takes around 45 to 60 days. Please don't go ahead and communicate 45 to 60 days to your customers, because once you go ahead and communicate 45 to 60 days to your customers, they will start counting down 45 to 60 days. Immediately they pay you. Immediately they pay you, they've started counting. They don't have this knowledge that, oh, once they pay you, you're still going to buy this product, you're still going to chat your supplier, you're still going to pay the supplier for this product, you're still going to patiently wait for this supplier to send the goods you bought to your shipping agent. They are not calculating all of those. Maybe within this period of you buying, paying the supplier, or some people even do production, right, and then your supplier is sending it to your shipping agent, 3 weeks is already gone. But to them, your 45 to 60 days have already started counting. So if you know you want to do pre-order, I need you to be plain and open with your customers. I need you to be what? Plain and open with your customers. Because customers will drag you. If they wait that exact 45 to 60 days and their items are not yet, they will start dragging you. Me, I don't have mind for drags. Not that I am scared, but because I don't even have that energy at all to start explaining my nitty-gritty everything. I stay off pre-order. I do what I have with my money. If I have 5M, 10M, I buy what I have. Come buy what I have, period. But if you know, I know people genuinely want to go into pre-order because they don't have the capital, right? These are things you need to put in place. Be very transparent. Be very transparent. I'm not saying, when I say transparent, there are still things you don't share with them. You don't share your bargaining side, the way you bargain with your supplier, with the customers. They don't need to know that. What I mean by being transparent is explaining to them what pre-order is all about. Some of them don't know. You tell them that, okay, when they make payments, you're still going to talk to this supplier, you're still going to buy, and you're still going to wait for the supplier to ship out this item to your shipping agent. Now they start counting when your shipping agent tells you that your container or the container where your goods is loaded has started sailing. You show them that message. Be as transparent as possible. Show them that message. In fact, when it is still on transit from your suppliers warehouse to your shipping company warehouse, you can screenshot and show them. Tell them that, oh, to the glory of God, our goods are now on transit from our supplier to the shipping company. When it gets to the shipping company, show them. Tell them. When it gets to the shipping company doesn't ship immediately. It's not as if when your goods get to the shipping company today, they will start shipping tomorrow. Are you loading full container? Even if you're loading full container, there is a procedure for everything. There are procedures for everything, right? Just know that for those of you that are doing consolidation, you're buying things from different suppliers. These different suppliers have to, send this item to your shipping agent. When it gets to your shipping agent will be able to, use your tracking number to know this is your item, bring them together. When they bring them together, then they would have time for loading it into the container. And when they load into your container, they are not just shipping your own. Remember, most of us do what? Group page. Unless if you're loading full container. If you're not loading full container, you're doing group page. That is to say, maybe 20 people or 30 people or even 10 are coming together to fill one container. So they'll put your own, they'll wait for the other person. This is all time. Time is ticking. So explain all this process to your customers so that they don't start counting your 45 to 60 days the moment they pay you. It takes like 2-3 weeks before your item sales, before your goods sales. Do you understand? So explain all of this to them. In fact, they will be happy that you're carrying them along. Some of them is because you fail to explain. That is why they come ahead to drag you after 45 to 60 days if they don't see their items. So explain the process to them that you're not actually loading the full container. It's group page and you need to wait for the container to be filled up. When you explain to them, they know that, okay, give and take. This process will take 3 months. That is why I usually tell my people, if you're doing sea shipping, please don't just count 45 days. No, give yourself 3 months. Once you tell them, oh, it will take 3 months, JJ, they will wait for you. They will wait for you. And let me tell you guys something. Once this item arrives, and yes, the quality you promise is what you're delivering, see, they will forget about the period they waited for you. They will be so glad. You will see the kind of reviews they will start posting for you. Pre-order is still a very nice way for you to start. If you don't have your own capital, you can actually start with pre-order. But please, before you start using people's money, I usually tell my people, try it with your own small money first. Say you want to start pre-ordering jewelries, hair, blah blah blah. Try it first. Buy 1 or 2 first, ship it down. Don't just learn it today and tomorrow you're preparing to use people's money. No, try the process. Bring in those things, see the quality you're getting. That is why I tell you guys that if you don't want to go through all those stress, you should go ahead and buy our, 70 plus 1688 manufacturers contacts. It's on seller, going for how much? 25k. 70 plus manufacturers contacts of different items, fashion, content tools, kiddies fashion, adult fashion, anything. We have it there. I mean, household items, a whole lot on there. Home decor items, a whole lot on there. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that if you want to go into it immediately, you're not doing tumbom on 1688. You're already using tested and trusted supplier. These are suppliers that we have tested and trusted. So if you want to get that 1688 manufacturer list, it is 25,000 naira and it's available on seller, or you can send us a WhatsApp message. All the details you need is down in the description of this video. Just click on the title of this video. It will take you down to the description section you can go ahead and order for this list of contacts. And not just the list of contacts, in that particular file you will get a detailed tutorial that will show you how to get the new interface of 1688. That's the English version of 1688, how to make use of it, and in addition, how to pay with your bank card. It is so easy right now, and exchange rate isn't that high. It is something that you can try out. You can get all of this for just 25k. Link is in the description. So those of you that are asking me, Oni, why are you not doing pre-order any longer? To be honest, I cannot be doing everything in one. In as much as I want to do it, I cannot function the way I cannot function perfectly when I'm doing everything at the same time. I already have this space, I already have my coaching space, I already have my business. I think for now, let's roll this way. I can't jam pack everything. Yes, money is good, I will get money from it, but no. I know the reason why some of you are asking is that you got value from the one we did before. I got people that bought things that they were selling and it was so good. They loved it, you got value. But for now, currently, it's a lot for me. I cannot go into it. I cannot do it. Maybe when we have more hands, I will come announce to you guys, so that if you're interested, you can go ahead and join the group. The group is still there on WhatsApp. We have a group on WhatsApp with over 200 and something participants. We have a group on Telegram, but we are not active for now. Okay, when we are back, I'll definitely let you guys know. But if you want to learn, you want somebody that will teach you, somebody that is into it, that will teach you, I offer that service. I will teach you how to go about it, and for a token. And that's it, guys. So if you want to do pre-order, please search for suppliers very well. Go ahead and try it. Some people say, Only, how can I get people to join my pre-order group? Yes, you need to know that the more people you have that are pre-ordering with you, the more money you're getting. If you have just 2-3 people, how much are you getting? But if you have like 50 people that are pre-ordering stuff from you, trust that you make more money. So one way that you can use to get more people is to try and build trust. People will not pre-order, people will not give you their money and wait 2-3 months if they don't know you, if they cannot trust you. So you need to build trust. And I usually tell people that the first people that you can use and use their reviews to build trust is they are your family and friends. So start with your family and friends. Those things that they want, they would love to buy. Advertise it to them, tell them it's on pre-order. Start with those people that can easily give you their money. Your family, your friends, you have a lot of them, right? Talk to them about it. Start with people that know you. They are your first audience. Now when you do with them and it's successful, obviously they'll be so glad because they got it at good prices. They will give you reviews. You go ahead and post these reviews, use these reviews and the products you got, run ads, get people to join your pre-order group. Because they've seen evidence, more people will join you. And as you progress, you post your evidence, you post the process, more and more people will be willing to join, because they are seeing results, they are seeing reviews, they feel they can trust you. Now some of them will try you with 1-2 products, but once they get it, trust me, the next one they will even be the one to do the referral. They'll talk to their friends and their colleagues about you, and this is you growing. Before you know it, you have your own money. Do you get me? So hope you found this video helpful. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell me more, more type of, just go down the comments. If there are some videos you want me to make, there are things you don't understand, you want me to explain, leave them all in the comments. I will definitely look into it. I love you.